Welcome to another Angel on the Go video. Today I am at Walmart and I am searching high and low for some clearance, hidden clearance at that, and I found something. You guys know I love horror movies. Look at this sweater. Horror movies and chill. This is super cute. I wasn't sure if it was on sale or not. There's my husband down there. I'm not sure if it was on sale or not, but I decided to scan. And it's hidden clearance, you guys. The name is Wound Up. Look at that. Horror movies and chill. I found something. Look it. I need you to scan this, okay? I'm gonna show you guys the UPC. So regular price is $12.88. Here's the UPC. And I'm hoping they have some back here too. All right, so it looked like I'm getting some sweaters. All right, so we're gonna scan it. Look at that, you guys, $1.28 only on Angel on the Go. And this is juniors, so I can definitely fit into this. You guys cannot go wrong with sweaters. It says hybrid juniors horror movies and chill graphic hoodie. Again, only $1.28. You cannot beat that. And it's kind of thick, so I'm definitely wearing this. You guys know I love Chucky and Freddy and Jason and all that. So I'm definitely gonna sport one of these. Here's the UPC again. And they have all of these back here. So we're gonna continue to scan and see what else we can find. All right, if you guys are looking for comforter sets, look at this one. This is Mainstays. And I wish it was my size bed, but it's not. It's for a twin and twin XL. It's a bedding set and it has 8 pieces. So it comes with the comforter, the standard sham. You get 3 pillows and the sheet set. Look at that. I'm gonna show you this. It's super soft, you guys. I love it. I'm thinking about getting it because it went from $44.88 all the way down to $25. You cannot beat this. I'm thinking about getting it. I'm not sure. But if you guys are looking for something like this, here's the UPC. And they have it in here. There's no price. There's only 2 in here. Let me show you the other one. Oh, it's heavy. This is the other one. This one's a full queen. And this is a Mainstays comforter set, 7 pieces. So it includes the comforter, and this is a full queen again, 2 standard pillow shams, 3 pillows, and you get a bed skirt. That's pretty. Look at that, you guys. And that's what it looks like. I'm gonna show you the UPC. And again, they only have 2. My husband left me. I wonder where he's at. He's probably in the clearance. Look at that, he just left me. But this went from $49.88 down to $30. So you got this one for $30. And this one right here is only $25. All right, you guys, we are still in Walmart. Right now, we're in the clearance section. Ooh, almost dropped my phone. We're in clearance. You guys have to remember, you guys have to look low. Low, 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 low. Everybody looks up here. Look at my husband. You guys can tell that I'm low too. Everybody looks here. Because you guys are standing up, you're looking at the top. You might be looking in the middle. Nobody goes low down here where it's dark. Look at our cart, you guys. You guys see everything in our cart? We actually found the majority, I want to say 90% of the stuff that we found in our cart right now, we found down here. We're looking low. So that's just another hint from Angel on the Go. You guys have to look really low to find good items. I actually just found 3 items back behind all these, look like these might be curtains. What happened?
Look under.
Yeah, look under. Oh, under. Is there anything under there? Hold on. I can't see. No, it's nothing but dirt. All right, but you guys, I found about 3 or 4 items behind here. So you guys gotta kind of dig around. These are good prices. If you guys need some curtains, check the clearance aisle. I don't need any, but look at that. You get a set of curtains for $3.85, and these are pretty heavy. I might grab some curtains because I do need some new ones. All right, so while I'm down here, I might as well show you. These are $5.06, and I think sometimes with Walmart, the manager told us that if someone returns curtains or this thing right here is missing the packaging, they'll lower the price. So let me see what else. 84-inch, 1 panel for $3.11. All right, so here's some other items. This one has no price. Some of these don't have UPCs because it's missing the packaging. But you guys, make sure you guys open these and make sure that it's either 1 panel or 2. This one's $3.85. You save $6. You save a little over $6 because it's missing the cardboard, which I don't even care. I'm gonna throw it in the trash anyway. So these are about $3.85. This Christmas music is really loud, you guys. Wow, these are nice. Look at that. $5.96. 408. Oh wow, this is super soft. All right, so make sure you guys check out your clearance aisle to see if you guys need find some curtains on sale. All right, let me see what else. I'm gonna show you a few more. Look at this, you guys. Look at the color. These are only $3.87, and this one's $3.85. So good luck. All right, if any of you guys have cats like I do, look at this. It's called, I think it's Scoon All Natural Cat Litter, and it has the best odor control. So look at this. What I think you do is you cut open the middle part, and your cat just, I'm about to curse, your cat uses the bathroom in the box. All right, so that's what it looks like. And once you're finished, you just throw it in a box. Let me show you the UPC. There's the UPC. And let me show you the price because I just scanned them. They went from $16.98 all the way down to $3.50. You cannot beat that price. All right, here's some Lash Tech Day and Night. I don't wear much makeup, but oh, this is a mascara set. So long wear, high volume mascara set. It's a 3-piece set. As seen on TV. Here's the back. All right, so Day and Night. There's the UPC. And it went from $19.99 down to $7.05. So if there's something that you guys need, run to Walmart. Here's something else. I'm gonna actually just wait until these go down a little bit more, but in case you guys are looking, this is Magic Minerals, and it looks like the same company. As seen on TV, conceals and covers. This is what the inside looks like, and it comes with this whole set. There we go. Here's the back. Again, you guys, we have Christmas coming up. Let me turn it around. Here's the UPC. And it went from $19.99 all the way down to $9.80. All right, as you guys can see, we're still finding baby items. This is a pregnancy belly band to lift and support your baby bump. I wish I had this when I was pregnant. Look at this, you guys. Maternity Support. It cradles the belly. Oh, I needed this back in the days. Look at that. Okay, this is a small and medium. All right. And let me show you the UPC. And this went from $19.97 all the way down to $5. You cannot beat this price, you guys. $5. All right, I'm gonna show you this right here. Now, my husband is going crazy because they have more of these. And you guys remember that baby video? He grabbed all of them. Unfortunately, this Walmart has them at $15. So we actually got them for $6.85, was it? $6.85. So since these are $15, you can't get them.
I'll be back for it.
You'll be back?
For sure. I'm gonna get those.
I say, yeah, you'll be back. All right, so we're gonna wait until these go down, you guys. All right, if you guys are looking for candles, they are at Walmart. Look how cute these are. You guys, I love candles. This is the pumpkin spice. And they have this one. This one's 14 ounce. And they also have this one right here. Pumpkin spice, 14 ounce. Looks like different packaging. So you got these two. Super cute, and they smell great. I actually took my mask off for a second so I could smell it. Here's the UPC for the one with the animals on it. And the UPC, sorry, there you go. And they're only $3.50. So if you guys need some candles, run over to Walmart. The Poke Boo, it's a 4-in-1 cat toy for cats of all ages. I'm gonna tell you guys something. I seen this at Walmart yesterday, a different Walmart, and they were on clearance for $11. And I didn't want to pay $11. The next day we came to a different Walmart, which the Walmart we're at right now is a different one. It's probably like 5 minutes away from the other one. So it comes with a feather, a trackball, scratch pad, and 4 mouse holes, you guys. Look at the cats playing. I'm gonna turn it to the back. So if you guys have cats like we do, this is a perfect gift for your cats. Look at that, it has mouse holes. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the UPC. All right, so I just showed you the UPC, and now I'm gonna show you how much we found it for. Now remember, I found it yesterday at a different Walmart for $11 on clearance. Look at this, boom, $4.20. It was $19.88 down to $4.20. And I'm gonna turn the camera over here.
We're selling it?
You are not taking this to sell. This is for Shadow.
Didn't you just get something for the cat?
Yes, but they need 2 gifts.
Oh,
sorry. So we found one. And matter of fact, let's keep an eye out on the one that we seen yesterday for $11 because it's gonna go down.
How about we just sell the cats?
No, we're not selling the cats. No. Okay, we got 2 cats, and Shadow, this is yours. All right, you guys, up next, this is called Zorbeez 3D, as seen on TV. What is this?
It's like a sponge, a super sponge.
Oh, a chamois. What do you use it for?
Clean messes.
Oh, not your car?
That'd be good for after the car wash.
Yeah, we definitely need this. All right, so I guess you guys can clean messes. It's absorbing, scrubbing, polishing. It does everything. Does it come with 1 or 2?
Machine washing.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so you guys can wash this in a washing machine. All right, so again, it's as seen on TV. Here's the back of it. Absorbs up to 10 times their weight. That's good. All right. There's the UPC. And you guys, if you can find this in Walmart, grab it. All right. My lovely husband is gonna scan. Look at that, you guys. $3.30. $3.30. Boom. So if you guys can find this Zorbeez 3D, and how many does it come with?
2.
Okay, it comes with 2, you guys. So it's a great deal for that price.
Oh no, it comes with 2 large and 1 extra large.
Oh, okay. So it comes with 2 large and 1 extra large. So it actually comes with a total of 3. Good luck.